welcome back to hashtag 21 days to good skin. Today is day 19 and today I have a very effective ingredient which is so healthy for our body, so healthy for our skin and our hair as well. I think you guys must have guessed it by now. We're gonna use an egg today, precisely egg white. It is also known as natural Botox. These days people are running after getting Botox done, but if you do this regularly, slowly you will not even feel the need to get a Botox done. So let us now start with the process of getting natural Botox. Are you guys ready? I've applied it evenly on my skin and I'm going to keep this for about 15-20 minutes, and it has started to become tired, so I think I should stop talking and let the egg do its thing on my skin. Hi you guys, I'm back and now I can speak properly. I'm so relieved. I loved this face pack. I mean, you all know that egg is such a rich source of protein, and if we're giving all that protein to our skin, I mean, imagine what good can it do to our skin, right? To wash it with lukewarm water and then pat dry it like I always ask you to. Also about the smell, I think that this can be an issue to a lot of you people out there, that it smells bad. Yes, egg does smell bad. I have used the raw egg white, I've added nothing into it, but you can of course add honey, you can add yogurt, or you can add lemon drops or anything, lemon juice drops or anything which can cut off the smell, because yeah, it can be a problem. It wasn't for me, so I applied it raw, but yeah, you can of course add things. The more the merrier, it'll be better only. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this episode. Please try it out. Do not forget to send me pictures if you do, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow.